So, hi, welcome back to the channel. For those you haven't watched before, I'm Charlotta, and this is a sort of new series on more informal fashion chats and fashion and pattern cutting related stuff I've discovered and want to share with you. And I want to hear from you as well, what you'd like me to look at, what you're working on, any problems you're having. I have a lot, mostly pattern cutting related. But for this week, I've got something really excited. My lovely friend Angie, who is the queen of natural dyes, she was given 2 really old 60 suitcases, and they're full of dressmaking, tailoring blocks or patterns. So she very kindly gave them to me, and at first I was like, lots of really old brown paper, but once you look closely then they're absolutely amazing. So I show you my favorite. Don't know how delicate they are either, but look at this. So this looks like an amazing sort of Balenciaga kimono with a big belt on top. You can see there's a sort of like a really big shoulder, the sleeve, there might be a pleat there. There's some gathering going on. So this is a really amazing one. Let's have a look what else I've got. There's one, oh look, there's like a proper 1950s number. With sort of cut out details on the collar. So can you see it's got a massive shawl collar, pointy sleeve. So for you, those of you who are watching who love shawl collars, that might be a nice one. And what I love about it, for example, look, I think this must be where the embroidery is placed. So it's like, cause I think we love patterns nowadays, they're like really commercial and perfect, and they're mostly CAD made, so computer aided design. So they're made on the computer, so they're all printed out and they're perfect. And if you buy sewing patterns, like commercial patterns, they're, you know, they're mostly perfect. But this is a real sort of glimpse into history and how clothes were made. And look at this as well. I don't know what it is, but it's got a lot of beautiful scallops everywhere. Look at this. It's like an artifact. It looks like it's been slightly burned as well. Look, you can see model 25. What else have I got? This is like a massive bundle. So I wonder whether this used to be that it's for one person, or it could be maybe, oh, this could be a proper suit, but that's a weird. But look at all these sort of instructions, and she's used lots of different paper to work on as well, because if it's sort of from the 50s, you can imagine there might be still not that much paper around at times. So she's used, it looks like building plans with the patterns on. So this is an amazing find. And so what I'm really excited about, I want to make some of these. So what I want to hear from you is, would you be interested in seeing more of these and maybe finding out with me how they look like, what size they are, how they look made up? If you do, if you comment below, and I'm going to give you 3 options. Option number 1 is my favorite. So this is the, if you call it the beautiful, it's like a kimono, it's sort of like a 1950s, we call it the Dior dress, it's sort of a bit like that. So number 1 is the dress with the belt, and then I also like the shawl collar one. So number 2 is a shawl collar, and then I'm interested in what the number is with all the scallops, which I have no idea what it could be. So which one would you like to find out more about? Scallop ones, the shawl collar, or the one with the belt? And then if you're interested, you might just think, okay. But if you are, let me know. But I'm definitely going to be making some of them. But if you want to join in and have a look, let me know, and I will make one especially with you. And I have to show you one last one. Look at this. It's got hearts. So this is like, why? Like pockets for something only models, you know. like, oh, there's another image. Look at this. So, look at this. So, it's like all gathered, pleated. It's got like a tiny stand-up short collar without a lapel. It's got gathers all along the shoulder, and it's got like a heart ornament with lots of gathers coming from. So those of you who love Madame Grass, if you think in the 50s, she did sort of stuff with like big leaves and all gathers go into leaves, and that's the couture version. I mean, this is what somebody normal might have worn, so that's amazing. So if you want to find out more about that, I'm definitely gonna have a look at that. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse into some amazing old patterns. Let me know which ones you like, whether you were interested to find out some more. Whether have you ever found anything really amazing which actually was new to you? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and enjoy your drafting. If you have enjoyed this video and want to take your pattern cutting to the next level, please sign up to our free Darts Essential course. It has fantastic video tutorials and lots of diagrams. If you're interested, please click in the description below and sign up for free.